I'll see ya. Bye, 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 bye.
83 to the left. Bye, bye. My God. Bye, 25, John.
Hey, 25.
Yeah, 25. Just cruising this thing there. I didn't wait to the end of the key to get on this stuff fucker either. 25. Your scrap collector driving a bulldozer in a scrap yard right there.
25, can you say rubber ducky? Brake.
Yeah, I can see. Bulldozer. What I want to do is get a little two-pill and I'm going. For real. I am Mr. 25 in a big island. I'll see you.
Yeah, who's coming in there? 25.
Well, 25. Just make sure you're hearing him when I'm off the key. Just let him know. You hearing me now? Are you hearing now? 25. Cruising his dog fucking D9. Now you see me, now you don't. Be a whole lot of bulldozer on the band right about now. 25. Have a good day. Hey. Bulldozer, you drop that in. Bulldozer, okay, Bulldozer up at 123.
Smoky, that's...
Alright there, 25. Yeah, 10-4 for sure, mate. No doubt about it. That's what I thought happened. Alright, I'll put on you later, 25. I'll let my people go. 25. Your dozer, right there.
Postman, my deal, check it in.
Come on, break. Give me a full bill, and they can all have their airtime back. Hello, D9, Mr. 25. Have a great day. Alright there, 25. I know you got it straight in your radio. I just got to till you get off these things, you catch me a cross gear out there. 25. I got to sort of ease on back and catch myself a cross gear out there, don't fuck off. Hey, D9, where they want to go?
Number 2, man, someone coming in with you, 82.
Number 2, tell him it's all about the bulldozer. Number 2, I'll see you now.
He's Postman, Romeo, Australia, check it in.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, you got it down, mate. 1, 2, 3, right there. 2 pills smoking.
123, got all the way down.
Fucking do it. That's the Roger there, 123, mate. No doubt about it, cat and picker. You got that 2-pill, man. I bet it's got that thing doing us some DBs down here, man. Alright there, 1, 2, 3. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Cruising his bulldozer, right there.
He talked to me back when he's got the key down. And number 2, the key down.
55 in a mobile. Alright there, 1, 2, 3, 83. We got in there with you, mate. No doubt about it. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 83. So trying to get a 3 right on your shoulders there, man. So get ready for it. Hey, 1, 2, 3, watch out. 83's coming. I think you're going to try and jump up on your back. 1, 2, 3, 83. Your bulldozer.
Alright, number 2. I made him go to the pump, Bulldozer. I made him go to the pump with a 2-pill. Bulldozer 122.
I don't know, if he went to the pump out here, they ain't heard him properly yet. Hey, 1, 2, 3, he ain't got to the pump yet. Hey, 1, 2, 3, it's all about you right about now.
Look, that guy can talk to the class car, mate.
Hey, you go put rubber ducky back on them all. Take care of Bulldozer. I made them all go to the pump, Bulldozer 123.
Good night, mate.
Got down. Mate, alright, 1, 2, 3, mate. I'll be kicking back. I just got to sort of get things, I've got to get back to my other game there. Mate, I've been talking to you, but I've got to catch up with number 2 and the gang over there. No doubt about it. 1, 2, 3, right there. Your Bulldozer stepping down. Hey, guess what? I know who you'll be talking to soon. Hey, 1, 2, 3. I know who you'll be talking to soon. Bye.
Hey, Bulldozer, right there. Over there. Number Ducky, number 2 down. 123.
Ooh, that'd be dangerous, man. Make sure he's got a fire extinguisher on standby. Hey, 123 Maple, he's got to make sure he's got a fire extinguisher on standby. And a block of ice. 123. Man, he's clean down station right there.
Rubber Ducky, just...
Rubber Ducky 45, Rubber Ducky 25.
Special, number 2 down.
Hey, number 2, man. Alright, I'm going to have to get off this thing and synchronize with the next lot of players. Resynchronize this station. Time to resynchronize with the next lot of players. La 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 la.
123, Postman, Mobile, Melbourne, Australia, where?
La 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 la. Hello, Postman, we heard you too, Postman.
Postman 25, 45, hello, Postman.
Smokey.
Maybe 123 and hello to 2545, 2545 Mobile, your 2586 Mobile down under. Hey, 2545, it's 2586 Postman in the Mobile down under, wave and...
2586, and that's my 2586. 2545, Honolulu, come on down. 2586, and Rubber Ducky. Hey, 06 Postman, can you say 25?
You coming in, man? I got 25, I got number 2. You coming in my radio, right up there?
Sure, around 25, I'm going to say your name anytime, man, brother. Hey, 25, 25.
Numbers, no doubt about it, man. Well, you know, Rubber Ducky got a good big mall out there, man. And I appreciate you taking your time out just to say 25. Postman, you looking real good in Honolulu. Postman, Rubber Ducky, 2545 in the Mobile, back. Rubber Ducky, yeah.
Oh my God, hey, 2545, hey, 2545, man, I think you're right. It's what you're doing, direct link. Hey, 2545, I'm going to go on a direct link with you right now. 2545, your 06 Postman, it's talking Mobile. 2545, 2586,
Hey, man, much mahalo for the wave. Thanks for getting on back, Rubber Ducky. We'll be stepping. We'll be coming back a little later. 123.
Hello, Rubber Ducky.
Yeah, 123 was for you, man. I was about to say, you, the heavy hitter, come on.
Hey, 2545, man. Hey, 2545, I'm happy to get in between the keys. Hey, 2545, I am happy to get in between the keys, man. 2545, your 06 Postman. With no rotation, just cruising this Mobile, man.
And look at the full bill. And look at the full bill in the BIG. And Rubber Ducky, can we say full bill in the BIG? I'm on the mail.
At 2545, we see your big
3-4 fuel.
Hey, 2545. Hey, 2545.
Coming out the Blue Island, the full fuel guy.
Fuel coming in, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4.